Aerodev is not a development organization. Aerodev is a conservation organization. We are interested in species, in wildlife, plants, birds, animals. That is, first of all, our principal interest. And because we cannot achieve this interest, we need to introduce development concepts. A couple of years back, Aerodev has been working in this region since the early 2000s, and it has been exploring, doing biodiversity surveys. We're interested in biodiversity, and we conducted plant surveys. And we had this species there. And recently, 3 years ago, the French company Esman Fish was interested in this species. And it happens that we have surveyed it, and consequently, we established that relationship between the Viman Fish company in France and Aerodev, and then this community.
Avec l'effort de l'Aerodev, il nous a appris comment cultiver maintenant, parce que c'est d'abord une plante naturelle. Là maintenant, on a développé la manière de cultiver cette plante dans le village, qu'après un temps, peut-être après 3 ans, on doit maintenant arracher et ça va donner ses racines. Mais pour le moment, nous marchons dans le village et on cherche partout.
Aerodev in the entire process plays the role of facilitation, plays the role of technical support. By the principle of the asset and benefit sharing, NGOs do not constitute part of the process. So it is between the company and the community in which the resource is found.
La dernière fois où on nous a demandé 1000 kg secs, c'est toute la communauté qui a bénéficié le peu d'argent qu'on a donné. Parce que le programme est que ce n'est pas pour une seule personne. Je passe l'annonce dans le village et chacun doit avoir une quote-part qui doit amener et avoir un peu d'argent pour soulager ses enfants.
Our interest is to look for the remaining wildlife species. That has been our interest for the last 15 years. And that led us to the creation of the Tufala Hill Wildlife Sanctuary. That is also leading us to push for the creation of the Mount Bomitus Integral Ecological Reserve. That remains a bigger challenge. And we are also identifying a couple of areas where we create community forests. So our interest is to save the mountain ecosystem.
You have to trim, as you see I'm trimming this line, so you put it there, all around like this, to make him grow quick and produce more cocoyams. C'est difficile pour 100 planteurs de comprendre très vite ce que vous dites. Sur 100 personnes, il y a déjà peut-être 10 qui peuvent comprendre. Et passant par les démonstrations que Aerodev m'a formé pour commencer d'abord avec ça, c'est là qu'on les ramène pour les portes ouvertes, qu'ils voient et témoignent, que les anciens planteurs leur forment, leur disent que oui, ils ont vécu les réalités de Aerodev sur le terrain. Donc c'est en ce moment-là que ça me facilite un peu à leur manager.
In most of the areas where we work, land has been highly degraded. And as we have seen, over the years we're improving on land productivity. And the strategic objectives is to improve on restoration of degraded ecosystems, such as watersheds, and tied to it, improve on the conservation of protected areas. I come from the William Division, and here I grew up as a child, and I saw a lot of forest. But these forests started being destroyed, food security became a problem, and I felt that something needed to be done in order to address the issues of agroecology, the issues of forest degradation, the issues of land degradation. And then I felt I needed to grow up and do something in order to address, because nobody was thinking that there was a problem in this area where I was.